Hello, and welcome to iRealty, the platform designed to revolutionize how agents, developers, and investors manage and analyze the real estate market. Let's explore the core features that make this software an essential tool. Our journey begins at the iRealty homepage. Here you can start your experience by clicking Try It Free Now or selecting the Register button at the top right. After setting up your email and password, you'll be ready to explore iRealty's powerful functionalities. On the main screen, you'll find the iRealty map, powered by artificial intelligence, and a navigation menu on the left. This menu provides access to all key features, including map search, saved collections, property valuation, and account management. Both collections and notifications are customizable based on user or client interests, ensuring you never miss an opportunity. Let's dive into iRealty's primary feature, the interactive map. It allows you to select provinces, cities, regions, or neighborhoods to find properties and land. The first filter differentiates between properties for sale or rent. You can also search by voice using the AI assistant, property URL, or reference number. After setting a geographic area, the right-hand menu filters refine your search to meet specific client needs. These include public or bank-exclusive properties, price, bedrooms, bathrooms, key features, size, condition, and multimedia options. Once you've selected a property, clicking on its name reveals detailed characteristics. You can add it to one of your collections and see which agencies and platforms are marketing it. Welcome to the world of iRealty, where you'll gain access to more information faster.